Are you looking for a staycation near MOA, IKEA, and NAIA that can accommodate a large group of family or friends? I got you! This is Happy Staycation, located sila at Shore 1 Residences, Pasay City, Metro Manila. As soon as you walk in, this is what welcomes you. First up is their spacious living room, very modern, aesthetic, and super cozy. They have a comfy sofa with pillows, plus a full-length mirror where you can check your OOTD before heading out. May mga aesthetic wall designs din, artificial plant that complements the space, and a marble space table that adds to the overall look. On the other side, may wall panels and more aesthetic details that make the living area feel even more put together. And ang cute rin ng small side table nila, and of course, air-conditioned ang living area so you can comfortably chill here during your stay. They also have a smart TV for entertainment. May Wi-Fi sila dito, plus I love their closed storage underneath so the space looks clean and organized with less visual clutter. Next is their dining area. They have a dining table that can accommodate 4 people, but if you're staying with a bigger group, you can also use the additional table beside the living area for extra seating. Now let's check out their kitchenette. If you want to cook during your stay, you can definitely do so. They have a microwave, refrigerator, water kettle, rice cooker, and cooking pans available. Complete din with plates, utensils, and glasses, plus dishwashing soap, so you don't have to worry about bringing the basics. And if you want to do something fun together, they also have board games available. Now let's check out the bedrooms. Since dalawa yung bedrooms nila, I'll show you the first one. Bedroom 1 has one bed with a comforter and pillows. May extra mattress din in case you're staying with a bigger group. May aesthetic framed art, air-conditioned din yung room, plus may lamp din sa bedside table. For the second bedroom naman, it's a little smaller compared to the first one, but it's also air-conditioned, making it a cozy and more intimate space. They also have extra comforters, towels, and hangers in case you need them. May extra mattress din available, nakalagay sa baba, plus an extra ceiling fan for added ventilation. Ito naman yung bathroom, which is conveniently located between the 2 bedrooms. Very clean siya, and they have hand soap, a trash can, heater, and bidet available. And here's the view from the balcony. If you want to go swimming, available ang pool daily from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. The pool fee is 150 pesos per guest. Pwede rin kayong tumambay sa balcony since may table available. And if you have clothes or towels na kailangang isampay, pwede rin dito. For added convenience, washing machine is also available upon request. So overall, ang cozy and well-equipped ng space, perfect for families or groups of friends na gustong mag-eat, chill, cook, swim, and spend quality time together. Their rate starts at 4,500 for 6 to 8 packs ngayon. You can stretch the stay to up to 10 packs with an additional 300 pesos per guest. Check-in time is at 2 p.m. while check-out is at 12 noon. Listed sila sa Agoda and Booking.com, but you may also inquire directly through their social media accounts. I'll be putting all their details in the caption for you. Save this spot for your next Manila staycation. Bye!